Something is out there, something that shouldn't exist. For centuries, we believed the universe was a simple story. Stars born and dying, a cosmos expanding from a single point. We built our reality on this foundation, confident we understood the big picture. But today, January the 1st, 2026, everything changes. New data from our most advanced telescopes reveals a cosmic pattern that defies our laws of physics. The universe isn't just expanding, it's connected in ways we never imagined. This discovery forces us to question everything: gravity, the Big Bang, even the nature of existence itself. The cosmos may be more alive and interconnected than we ever dreamed. We're not just observers. We might be part of a grand cosmic structure. Now we face a choice: cling to old ideas or venture into the unknown. True discovery demands humility and courage. It means letting go of cherished beliefs. The universe is speaking, and for the first time, we're beginning to understand its language. This is not just a new chapter, it's a whole new book. The story of the universe is being rewritten, and we are here to witness it. Black holes, once seen as cosmic graveyards, are now at the heart of a new cosmic story. The latest evidence suggests black holes don't just destroy, they recycle, fueling the birth of new stars and galaxies. They're not just takers, but givers, cosmic engines of creation. This changes everything, revealing a cycle of death and rebirth on a scale beyond imagination. Even time itself is transformed near these giants. Einstein showed us gravity warps time, but new discoveries reveal this effect is even more extreme. Time isn't a single river, it's a landscape of valleys and peaks ticking differently across the universe. Near a black hole, years for one observer could be millennia for another. The universe's now is not the same everywhere. Past, present, and future blur together in a cosmic tapestry. Black holes force us to rethink not just matter, but the very flow of time. The universe is far stranger and more dynamic than we ever imagined. Our understanding of reality is being stretched to its limits, and the story of time is only getting more mysterious. On the largest scales, we expected cosmic chaos, randomness after the Big Bang. But in 2026, astronomers mapped vast structures, walls, and filaments of galaxies stretching billions of light years. These formations are too immense for our current theories to explain. It's like finding an ancient tree that's only a week old, impossible by our understanding. Something unknown shaped the universe on a colossal scale. Was it a powerful force in the early universe? Is the cosmos older than we think? Or are other dimensions at play? These discoveries demand a total rewrite of our cosmic story. The universe is not as random as we believed. We're forced to question everything, from the age of the universe to the laws that govern it. Our map of the cosmos now reveals a hidden order, a blueprint we never expected. The search for meaning in this grand design has just begun. The universe holds secrets we're only starting to glimpse, and the quest to understand them is reshaping science itself. Amidst this cosmic grandeur, it's easy to feel small, but the truth is profound. We are not separate from the universe. We are part of it. Every atom in your body, except hydrogen, was forged in ancient stars. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you breathe, all born in stellar furnaces. You are made of stardust. The universe isn't just out there, it's within you. When stars explode, they scatter elements that eventually form new stars, planets, and life, including us. We are the universe becoming aware of itself. The discovery of a grand cosmic structure deepens this connection. Are we less of an accident than we thought? The question lingers. Even the emptiest space is alive with quantum energy. Particles flicker in and out of existence everywhere. The universe is never truly empty or still. From galactic walls to quantum foam, everything is connected. We are children of the cosmos, living within its grand design. So, what does it all mean? Structures too vast, black holes that recycle, time that bends and twists. One radical idea, the holographic principle. Our universe may be a three-dimensional projection from a two-dimensional surface. If true, space and time are not fundamental, but emergent, like an image on a screen. This could explain the universe's deep interconnectedness and hidden order. Are we living in a cosmic hologram? And if the universe is evolving, is it moving toward greater complexity, more consciousness? Is the cosmos trying to wake up through us? We don't have the answers, only bigger questions. But these discoveries fill us with wonder and a new sense of purpose. We are part of a story far grander than we ever imagined. The universe is alive, dynamic, and mysterious. The greatest adventure is discovering what it's trying to become.